What's up, YouTube? This is Tyson. Thought I'd show you my last set of an exercise that really builds my upper chest and my upper body beautifully. Don't even need a gym membership to do it. I'm actually doing a home workout in my home, and it's Saturday, so I'm enjoying the day. Let me show you this exercise. All you need is a chair that's about just a little below waist level. It's time to get into it. Got my chair right here. Hands shoulder width apart, and I'm just gonna go down. Push up. I'm doing 3-1 tempo. So down 3, up 1. Going for 12. When I'm doing this, I want to contract my chest. 11. 12. Woo! 3 sets of that, 12 reps. My challenge to you in your own home, baby. Take care, guys.